cannot continue to be a leader of the DA without the blessing of big business. And now big business has got sections in it. One of those sections is the agricultural section. Right now, evidence in the popular newspapers is that John Steenhuisen has not been able to convince the farming community and their professional associations and industry bodies that he is proceeding in the right direction in managing foot and mouth disease. So that is a problem, because that's a major group. Prior to that, he had created conflict in the DA and in political circles, perhaps, around the issue of the harvesting and commercialization of wildlife in South Africa. And that's where Deon George comes into it. As you will be aware, Deon George is a very erudite intellectual, and in that battle, Steenhuisen and his lobby were able to get the upper hand and try to demote Deon George and eventually kick him out of the party. But clearly the issues have remained simmering.